So guys, you want to head over to any web browser, then you want to type in Opera, click on enter, and then once you're on this, you want to go to the Opera web browser. There's also going to be a link to this down below in the description. Now once you're here, you want to click on download now. It's now going to start downloading. And then once that downloads, you want to click on the Opera setup. And then once you're on this, you want to click on accept and install. And then you want to click on configure and settings. It's up to you if you want to choose any of these. Me personally, I just untick all of them. And then click on confirm choices when you're done. Now it's going to start installing. Wait for this to load. It should then automatically take you to this page asking you to make Opera stable your default browser. It's up to you if you want to do this. And if it did not take you here, then you want to go to settings, apps, and then default apps. Then you want to choose Opera as your default browser. If you do want to make it your default browser, then click on set default. And then it's going to be saying something like get started. If you click on get started, it's now going to take you here. However, you could just skip all of this and then you can open up Opera. But if you do want to go through these options, then you can if you want to. But you can just skip it and then just open up Opera. And then that's how you do it.